How to change lock screen clock style on your Samsung Galaxy mobile device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change the lock screen clock style on your Samsung Galaxy devices. So if you're also using Samsung Galaxy devices, so in that case, if you want to change the clock style, then just head over to your settings application onto your mobile device, and once you're inside here, just scroll down until you see the option called lock screen and just tap on this. So once you're inside here, just make sure you have enabled this always on display option over here. So unless you do not display or enable it, you will not be seeing the option, and once you enable it, just tap on that particular option from over here. So since I'm using my Samsung A54 mobile device, I'm not able to show that exact option here, but you should be seeing an option called clock style right over here, and you just have to tap on that particular option. And once you click on that particular option, you should be given with different types of fonts and styles of clock, and you can just select any one of them, and you can even change the color theme of that particular clock just like that, and you can set it up for your lock screen. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.